So welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am back with another interesting question. So as you can see in the figure, we have a circle and we have two chords intersecting each other at 90 degree shown here. Let us name it as point M. AM, MB, CM and DM. These lengths are given in terms of variable x and we have to find the measure of chord AD. In order to solve this question, first of all, we must know about the intersecting chords theorem. According to this theorem, if we have a circle and if we draw two chords like this intersecting each other at any angle, if this length is A, this is B, this is C and this is D, then A times B is equal to C times D. So using this theorem, we can write here that AM multiplied with MB is equal to CM multiplied with MD. Now we have the value of AM in terms of x, that is 2x plus 2, MB as x minus 3, CM as x minus 1 and MD as x plus 1. Now we will multiply and try to simplify this. So 2x times x will be 2x squared, 2x times minus 3 will be minus 6x, then this will be 2x and minus 6 equals, here we will use identity that a plus b multiplied with a minus b equals a square minus b square. So this will be x square minus 1. Let us subtract x square from both sides. So this will get cancelled. Also let us add 1 to both sides. So this will get cancelled. So we will be left with x squared. This will sum up and will become minus 4x. This will be minus 5 equal to 0. So we have got a quadratic equation. We need to solve it in order to get the values of x. So let us solve it here. Let me erase this theorem here so that we can have some space. So we can write x square minus 5x plus x minus 5 equal to 0. We can take x common, x minus 5 plus x minus 5 equals 0. So x plus 1, x minus 5 equals 0. So this will give us x equals minus 1 and here x equal to 5. We will reject this value because if x is negative 1, then this length will be negative 2 and this length will be 0. So we have to reject this value. So here we get x equal to 5. Now our main aim was to find the length of this chord AD. So now let us focus on this triangle AMD. Let me draw it outside separately. So this point is A, this is D, this point is M and this angle is 90 degree. So AM, this length is 2x plus 2. Let us substitute 5 in place of 2. So this will be 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12 units. Likewise, MD is x plus 1, so this will be 5 plus 1, 6 and AD is unknown. We will use Pythagorean theorem here, so we will get AD squared, that is square of hypotenuse, equals 12 square plus 6 square, 144 plus 36 equals, this will be 180. So AD will be equal to square root of 180 and this will be 6 root 5 units. So we have found the measure of this chord AD as 6 root 5 units. If you want to get more such videos, do not forget to subscribe my channel.